This one also.
If you want here,
Okay. Yes.
alas pura.
Oh, sa ilalim oh.
Here.
It's already enough.
This one may search yun.
Oh, hot.
It is hot. It's hot. It's
Yeah, as
iron.
you could
You
see,
know. Okay. Okay.
what I see there is dollar sign. You know? That's what I
You really?
He's your manager. Plant superintendent. Okay, so how about me?
May see? Ilalim mo nga para makitang
You
banana.
just
Yeah. No.
ito.
Okay. Tapos yun. Okay.
This is almost 40-50%. When you test that, it's going to be 40 to 50%.
you need some
photo
plastic. Or
Yeah.
no.
Nakuha na ng ano para finish. May plastic ka pa po?
Do you still have plastic?
Yeah, inside. There's a lot of plastic inside.
Para
Yan.
i-finish natin ang result.
Dito ma'am?
Yan oh. This one na that dito na yung babagsak. This one na dito na natin ibagsak.
Finish mo na po namin. Finish
Yan
na pa finish.
You know, for 73 aside.
I am even the contact here, the SPA holder is very high aside. He's not assistant secretary of DENR. Assistant secretary mo siya?
Here
Ha?
in Pinatubo,
Siya,
the more higher aside.
Nasa DENR siya? Pero nasa kanya pa yung
Salandar na lang yan.
yung unit, yung ano, yung kanyang position, pero ayaw na niya. Nagpapastor na siya ngayon.
The people are doing that manually, no, dito.
Then we can test it, and then we can imagine what will be the roughly what will be the grade.
Yes.
You don't define too much, you know, the people will not do like that.
No, they are doing this. Just
10 times. We're doing it 10 times.
Ay, huwag na takot siya.
Ay, puta nasama pati ano.
Balik. Sayang. Hindi. Tira mo na ulit. Ano natin.
Nasobrahan.
Yung dollar mo.
Masyado manager ah.
Yung dollar mo nilagyan mo ng peso.
Lagyan mo ng peso eh.
Puta na lang. Yeah, okay.
Sound mo lang. Sound.
Sound na lang. Ayun.
Yeah, that's better.
Yung dollar nilagyan ng peso. Baka may yen pa yan. That's really high grade, Mr. Jun, because one Chinese told me that when the magnet is like this, is around 60, 40.
It is
Higher.
low.
Yeah, it's okay.
The higher,
Yeah,
yeah.
It's enough, sir?
Yes, okay.
Huh?
Okay,
that's enough.
that's enough.
Zok.
Sayang.
Kurang natin.
It will sign up at least $2 million for every
Dalawang manok. Ha? Oh, isang manok. Okay,
Okay.
that's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
So from here, abot pa siya, no? Burn, still kasama pa ito sa 60 hectares. Up to here.
Meron pa isang claim doon sa kabilang putok.
Doon.
Oh, there's still one claim
Doon sa isa.
beside that mountain.
Yeah, okay.
plastic dito.
So ang deposits nito talagang
The deposit is continuous.
continuous.
every time you dig it,